Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these simple Easter nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. And the first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's Say It Ain't Cilantro. This is from their new spring collection. It's a super pretty green and purple glitter mix. It's a really pretty combination. And so I'm going to do a glitter fade on my pointer finger as well as my thumb. Next, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Soft Serve. It's a super pretty light lilac color, and this is from their spring collection of last year, but I love this color. We're going to paint this on my ring finger. Then we're going to go in with Light Elegance's You Had Me at Aloe. This is from this year's spring collection. It's a super pretty mint green color, and it has this slight shimmer to it. So I'm going to paint this on my pinky and my middle finger. And here I'm just fixing that glitter fade. Some of the gel had run over to this side, and I should have cured this, flash cured it at least before I did the other colors. So just make sure that everything's good before you cure it. And then I do a second coat of the two solid colors, but the glitter fade is fine with just the one coat. And now I'm going to go in with the Easter design. We're going to do it on the two green nails. So I do wipe off the tacky layer before going in with the design. I'm going to take Madam Glam's Light Lilac. It's a little bit darker than Soft Serve. And then I'm going to take my favorite detailing brush, Midi Burn's Minty Zero. I'm going to go in on the pinky and I'm going to create some zigzag lines. Next, I'm going to take Madam Glam's Aqua Blue. I'm going to create a blue stripe on the nail. Next, I go in with Kira Sky's Main Squeeze. Really nice pale yellow. And I'm going to create some dots on the nail. And now using Madam Glam's Angel Wings, I create some more dots on the nails. So I do flash cure that nail, and then I move on to my middle finger. I take Madam Glam's Perfect White, and I'm going to create a little rabbit. once I cured the white, I go back in with Angel Wings, that pink color, and I add some pink to the ears as well as the little nose. And then I take Madam Glam's Perfect Black and I create some little whiskers. And now I'm going to go in with top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And make sure you check out my Easter nail design I did last year using the super cute glitter from Glitter Heaven Australia. And so here's how my nails came out. They are super cute and simple, perfect for spring. They have that pastel colors for Easter. I wanted to use those colors, the Sage and Cilantro, and You Had Me at Aloe, together from when I did the swatch video. I was like, I need to do this for Easter, and so I did. And so I know many of you will be having your Easter parties canceled this year because of everything that is going on, and not many people will be having Easter nails, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's simple enough that hopefully you can follow along and do a home Easter nail design on yourself just to kind of get you in the spirits. But hope everyone's staying safe, and we will see you next time. Bye!